Good afternoon, sir. My name is Saurav and ID number 19MBA 095. Today, I am presenting on Reliance Industry Limited. The group members' name are Saurav 19MBA 095, Shubham Rana 009, Ankit Shukla 19MBA 035, Adarsh Bishen 19MBA AV 0104, uh, Kushal Pal Singh 19MBA AV 130. Introduction. Reliance Group. The Reliance Group founded in 1966. The founder name is Dhirubhai Ambani. The headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, etc. The Reliance Group was founded by Dhirubhai H. Ambani, is India's largest private sector enterprise with business in energy and material value chain. Second point, group annual revenue are in excess of US dollar 66 billion. The flagship company, Reliance India Limited, is the Fortune 500 company and is the largest private sector company in India. Reliance India Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. India. Reliance owns business across India engaged in energy, petrochemical, textile, natural resources, retail, and telecommunications. Reliance is one of the most profitable company in India, the largest publicly traded company in India by market capitalization, and the largest company in India as measured by revenue after recently passing the government control India Oil Corporation. On 22 June 2020, Reliance Industry became the first India company to exceed US dollar 150 billion in market capitalization after its capitalization hit 11 lakh 43,667 crore on the BSE. The company is ranked 96th on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's biggest corporation as of the 2020. It is ranked 8th among the top 250 global energy companies by Platts as of 2016. Reliance continued to be India's largest exporter, accounting for 8% of India's total merchandise export with a value of 1,47,755 crore and across access to market in 108 countries. Reliance is responsible for among almost 5% of government of India total revenue from customer and excise duties. It is also the highest income taxpayer in the private sector in India. Product mix and services. The Reliance industries are like Geo, petrochemicals, Reliance, Reliance refining and marketing, retail, Reliance retail, Reliance Fresh, retail outlet of fruit, vegetable and groceries. Is the digital sector of Reliance are consumer electronic retail stores, Reliance jewelry stores, jewelries, Reliance Trend, apparel and clothing, Reliance Timeout, stock of books, music, movies, toy, gaming, fragrance, stationery. Reliance Trailer has a growth to cater to millions of customers and thousands of farmers and vendors. Reliance Trailer serves over 2.5 million consumers uh, every week, and its loyalty program Reliance One has the patronage of more than 6.75 million customers. Reliance Retail has achieved its distinction of being the largest retailer in the country with core formats sectors attaining market leadership in their representative categories. Petroleum refining and marketing. The Jamnagar manufacturing division is the world's largest refining hub. The entire refining complex was built in a record time of globally competitive capital cost, in fact, at a cost much lower than comparable refineries around the world, with crude processing capacity of 1.24 million barrel per steam days. Thank you.